Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your Asana Workspace, complete guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your Asana Workspace, start by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the top right corner of your dashboard. Click on your profile picture or workspace name. From the drop-down menu, select Admin Console. In the Admin Console, locate the Billing or Upgrade section. Click on the Upgrade button to explore your options. Review the available plans to determine which best fits your needs. Consider the features offered in each plan, such as advanced reporting or increased storage. Once you've selected a plan, click on Select Plan. You will be directed to a payment information page. Enter your payment details, including credit card information and billing address. Review your information carefully to ensure accuracy. After confirming your payment information, click on Start My Trial or Upgrade Now. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Return to your admin console to access new features immediately. Explore the new tools and settings that are now available in your upgraded workspace. Make any necessary adjustments to your team's settings or project structures. If needed, communicate the changes to your team members to facilitate a smooth transition. Take advantage of enhanced features to streamline your project management processes. Regularly check back on the admin console for updates and additional resources. Congratulations, you have successfully upgraded your Asana Workspace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.